Java Roadmap 2024 – Navigating Changing Terrain. Java programming forms the backbone of many software applications and systems, making it a valuable skill for developers. To excel in Java programming, it's essential to master the fundamentals of the language, including data types, control structures, and object-oriented programming concepts. Java frameworks, streamlining development process. Popular frameworks like Spring and Hibernate offer powerful features for building enterprise-level applications, while frameworks like Spark and Struts provide lightweight solutions for web development. Java tools and technologies, enhancing productivity. Java developers rely on a variety of tools and technologies to boost their productivity and streamline their workflow. Integrated development environments, IDEs, like IntelliJ IDEA and Eclipse provide essential features for writing, testing, and debugging code. Software architecture, understanding the big picture. Software architecture plays a crucial role in the success of any software project, as it defines the structure and behavior of the system. Java developers need to have a solid understanding of software architecture principles, such as modularity, scalability, and maintainability. Career path, navigating the coding roadmap. As a Java developer, having a clear career path is essential for achieving your professional goals. Whether you're interested in becoming a software architect, a technical lead, or a full-stack developer, defining your career trajectory will help you stay focused and motivated. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Java Developer Roadmap in 2024 is filled with exciting opportunities for growth and development.